Once you stop learning, you start dying. Don't ever give up on what you really want to achieve or do. Einstein says that imagination is everything. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're having a great day and a great week. So today we're gonna talk about Albert Einstein, a great physician. So let's see what he have done in his meaningful life. Albert Einstein was born on 14th of March 1879 and he was a German theoretical physicist and he was one of the greatest physicians of them all. Einstein is famous for the relativity theory he made, but he had made more contributions about the quantum mechanics. And as we all know, quantum mechanics and relativity theory are the two most important pillars of physics. He is widely known and he is so famous for the equation he made that of the energy equivalence formula he made, that E is equals to mc square, and that formula is dubbed the world's most used and the most famous formula. His work was so great that it had an influence on the other philosophers and thinkers and the philosophy of science also. He received a Nobel Award in 1921 basically for his efforts and all the work that he have done, and more specifically for the photoelectric theory, he discovered the law of photoelectric effects, and that was amazing. He deserved that Nobel Award that he won in 1921. It was his work, his intellectual achievements and his originality that deserves the word Einstein becoming synonymous with genius. That's amazing. However, in 1905, commonly described as the miracle year, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers that described the Brownian motion, energy equivalence mass formula, the more special, enhanced, and it introduced more enhanced and special relativity, and it also introduced the photoelectric effects. And that was the thing that Einstein published in 1905, and that was amazing, and that was considered a miracle year because the 4 miracle things were described in this year. Einstein thought that the laws of classical mathematics could no longer be used and he wanted to enhance them. So he introduced more enhanced laws of relativity, and then later on, moving on in 1917, he introduced his theory of gravitation, and that was amazing. That influenced many influencers, many people. He was a great influencer. He influenced many scientists, thinkers and philosophers. So basically after that, moving on, he worked on the problem of statistical theory, the statistical motion, and then he worked on that. He described them all, what is that, and then he made the structure of universe, and then he described how the universe looks like in his imagination. Because as I told, imagination is everything. As Einstein states that imagination cannot be stopped, it is everything. Let's talk about Einstein's family background and let's see where he is from. So as I stated that Einstein is a German physician, so that clearly says that Einstein is from Germany, but he moved to Switzerland for study purposes. When he was 17, at the age of 17, think about it, he received a diploma in mathematics and physics, basically a 4-year diploma. And the thing is that he settled and he left all the German citizenship. He became a Switzerland citizen. So he settled in Switzerland, studied hard, worked hard for his life, and received a PhD. So the thing is, he settled there, he had the citizenship there, but the later ups and downs, he again acquired the citizenship of Germany. That means he again became a citizen of Germany. So after that, when Einstein visited US, United States, he did not wanted to leave. So you may be thinking, why did Einstein did not wanted to leave the United States, and why did he not want to go in his homeland Germany? Because he objected the policies of the newly led that newly led government, Nazi-led government basically, and Nazi-led government. So the thing is that he objected that policy. He thinks that the policies and the rules that he is making is wrong. So he settled there and became an American citizen. So basically, on the eve of World War II, he enrolled a letter to the Franklin, the president at that time, and he enrolled a letter to him in that state that clearly says that you need to do something. You need to do something about your state, because America, like did not have that much nuclear power. However, Germany had the nuclear weapon program. As he became an American citizen, as I told that in 1940 basically he became an American citizen, but he denounced that his decision. The letter he wrote to the Franklin that Germany have nuclear power weapons, he denounced that, and he denounced all the nuclear thingies at that time. So basically, I just want to end here and say that, end this topic here and say that Einstein was a great physician. He did too much, and he always stated that imagination is everything. Knowledge does not have that much power that imagination would. You can create a new world with imagination. So if you learn about Einstein more, you will think that yes, imagination is everything, and his life was dependent on all of his imagination. Here are some 5 most famous quotes of Albert Einstein. Number 1, imagination is more important than knowledge. Number 2, try not to become a man of success, rather become a man of value. Number 3, knowledge will take you from A to Z, but imagination will take you everywhere. Number 4, life is like riding a bicycle. If you want to keep your balance, you gotta keep moving. And number 5, the last, but this is the most important one. Anyone who have never made a mistake, have never tried anything, so just try and think about it, and just work on it, because you gotta find a solution for that. Just think about it. It's my dream, and I gotta achieve that. I am working on that, and I will not lose that dream in the middle of that, in the middle of something you're good doing. I'm just gonna end here with this great quote. Don't be afraid to try anything new. Mistakes leads to wisdom, and wisdom leads to success. So you gotta try something new in order to move on in your life. So thank you so much for watching, guys. This is gonna be it for this week's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below your favorite part, and as you see, girls, I'm out.